The next topic is types of errors in PHP. The first type of error in PHP is notice error. The first type of error in PHP is notice error. It is nothing but a small information. It is nothing but a small information to user. If you try to access try to access undefined. If you try to access undefined variables, then we get this notice error. If you try to access undefined variables, then we will get this error. Okay, let me show this error to you. Yeah, open the browser part. Open the programming part. In the programming part, see, simply what I am doing is less than question mark PHP. And what is the next one? Question mark greater than. Here I am declaring two variables. $a is equal to 100. Single variable I have declared. After declaring the single variable, I want to print this variable. For printing, what I am using is echo $a. What is the output you are expecting? 100. Because in the place of $a, we are having 100. That's why it is going to print 100. Once again, I am printing one more variable called $x. Have we defined $x or have we declared $x? We have declared only which variable? Declaring only a variable, but we haven't declared $x variable. Even though we are not declaring $x, we are trying to print $x. Okay, let me save this and go to the browser part and hit refresh. See, 100, it is getting output perfect, but whenever we are accessing undefined variables, we are getting what error? Notice error. Yeah. This is the way we will get this error. This is the example for notice error.